The Samsung Galaxy Fold leaks, more folding phones, Google Plus shuts down, and MeWe grows. All of this straight ahead on Radiophonicus. Welcome back to Radiophonicus. We are going to cover the Samsung Galaxy Fold leak, folding phones, at least my opinion on folding phones and the technology behind it. We're also going to talk about Google Plus shutdown, which is coming April 2nd, so you better download your data. And we're going to talk a little bit about MeWe, a different social network, and a lot of Google Plus users moving over to that social network, including me. Let's jump into the Samsung Galaxy Fold. The video was leaked online just recently. Apparently it is a teaser promo video for the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco. It's actually pretty cool. When we were first introduced to the Fold, which I don't think it's actually, we don't have an official name for it yet, but when they announced the foldable phone at the developer conference for Samsung, it was encased in a case of some sort, so it was covering what it would actually look like. And they lowered the lights down in the auditorium, so press couldn't get a very good, clear picture of it either. So we don't really know what it looks like 100%. We just know it exists, and they are going to announce it, and we know we're pretty sure they're going to announce it here in February. So I'm playing a little video of this right now. So just a clip of what was leaked, and it looks like a really nice phone. I know there are plenty of other manufacturers out there doing foldable phones. I think foldable phones is going to be the it thing for 2019 going into 2020. We don't know exactly what consumers are going to think of this technology. I know Royal Pi has a phone out. We played with that phone at CES, and to be honest with you, that phone is nowhere near polished and ready for consumer intake. It was really laggy. The software was janky and laggy, and the hardware wasn't appealing. It's a great idea. Obviously, flexible screens and foldable screens are something that they've been working on for a long time. And you have LG rumored to have a phone out. You have Motorola rumored. There's just going to be more of these folding phones. Xiaomi. They're all going to be coming out with foldable phones, and I think this year you're going to be seeing a lot of them. But beyond foldable phones, I think this is a good way for the technology to be introduced, and I think that there'll be other applications for the technology to be used on. One of the biggest things I see in the future for these OLED flexible screens is in car applications for automotive, for your dashboard. I know Tesla has a wonderful tablet-sized display, but it's a big chunk of tablet in the middle of your console. So imagine being able to wrap that same kind of display up in your dashboard. That it's out of the way, but yet it's accessible. It gives you the data you need, touchable touch interface. And it wraps around in a nice design. So I think that's one of the applications that this technology will be used for in the future. How are these phones going to hold up through daily use in a consumer environment? You just think about how many times a consumer opens and closes their phone. I'm sure Samsung has already thought about this. I'm sure that they've run quality control tests. Hopefully it's enough. And the only time will tell. In reality, I think the foldable phone is more of a marketing tool to introduce the public and the consumer and even businesses to the actual product. That's my take on it anyway. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about foldable phones? Is there a use case scenario you could think of that you would use it for, that you would want it? What do you think about its durability? What do you think they're doing about all that? Let us know what you think. All right, let's move on to Google Plus shutdown. That's right. We knew it was coming already. Even before we knew it was coming, I will say that TECHAERIS wouldn't be around if it wasn't for Google Plus. It was the place where I met people that encouraged me to to move into this field. So it was a great platform that met a lot of great people. There's a lot of great people on it still, but you know, Google has decided that it's going to sunset it and they're going to shut it down, and a lot of us resisted that for a long time. I finally came to terms with it, you know, months ago. We're gonna miss Google Plus for certain. That is it's unfortunate, but you know, as Google does, they don't always keep the products that they develop, even if they do become popular. Now, popular is a subjective term because some people felt like Google Plus is just completely dead, but there was a vibrant, you know, platform of users using the platform, using the service. For those folks, they're scrambling now. A lot of them are scrambling now to look for a new place to call home on social media. That being said, there are other alternatives to Google Plus that people have been seeking out, looking for, trying to find a place. Mastodon, Dysphoria, Minds, and then the latest one that I've been using for the past, I don't even know, 8-9 months or whatever it's been since I joined, is MeWe. MeWe is a private social network. You have to sign up to join. It's free to join. There are some paid tiers where you have to pay for storage. I think it's 5 gigs and above, and 99 cents a month or something like that. They've been growing at a good clip since the initial announcements of Google Plus going away, before we got a date. That's when I joined. They've grown 400% since last year. In 2018, they grew 400%, and in 2019, they're projected to grow three times the rate growth. So they are a growing social network. Don't have exact numbers how many users they actually have, but I do know a lot of Google Plus users moving over to MeWe. It's a decent network. It still has some work they need to be done. If you join MeWe, I recommend that you fill out your profile completely, make some public posts, let people know what you're about if you're serious about connecting with people, because I think with this new MeWe group, this new MeWe social network, I'm seeing a lot of users being very selective of who they're choosing as contact. Anyway, yeah, the MeWe social network, it is growing. It is growing fast. It's somewhere I've enjoyed being. There's like-minded people there that we can have conversations about technology, nerd stuff, geek stuff, comic books, whatever it might be. You know, it's probably not the choice for everyone, but it is a choice. So I recommend you check it out. It's a pretty good network. I'm enjoying it. And that is it for Radiophonicus vlog number 3. We hope that you're enjoying these vlogs. We hope that we're bringing some good content to you guys. We hope you guys are checking out the website and reading our articles. I'll link that all down below. We'll also link down below where you can help support the channel. You can shop through Amazon. We have affiliate link down below. You can donate through PayPal. And most importantly, subscribe, like our videos, and share our content. That is probably the best way you can help us, and that is absolutely free to you guys. So if you would do that for us, we'd appreciate it. And we will see you on the other side.